Can you pay on Alibaba with the Payoneer? Today we will talk about if you can pay on Alibaba with the Payoneer. Well, you actually can pay on Alibaba with the Payoneer if you have a Payoneer debit cards. No. This is how the debit card will look. Let me just show you. This is how the debit card will look. If you have one of the debit card from Payoneer, you will easily be able to use it to make payments. So how can you do that? So for that, just simply go to Alibaba and then simply select any of the products that you want to buy. Just add those products into your card, sir, and after adding those products, simply have to go to the payment section or the checkout section. In the checkout section, there should be different payment methods, which should include debit or credit card as well. Just like payment method rabbit card, and put the details of your Payoneer card in the back of the card. There a card number and all the details. Just put the details and there you go. That's how you will be able to use Payoneer as a payment method on Alibaba. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys find this. Should I